Hello friends, welcome to my channel Floral Style. You are seeing roses design on pure raw silk cloth. My details are in this video and below this video. I take order works and teach online professional courses. For this top I have taken metallic red color and then mauve color for the leaves, and for another rose flower I have taken golden yellow. I have used round brush number 8. I have basic and advanced courses starting from 1000 onwards. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques in black and white in 65 pages with flower anatomy and notes how to paint. In this video, you will be seeing two freehand painting design. One is this rose design on top. The other one is Bahunia flower on the saree. Full saree, the saree pallu, the saree borders. These are my basic courses of Tanjore on fabric and Tanjore on small boards, which is of 1000. Now this is Bahunia flower design on saree pallu, and you will be seeing the border design, the front design of the saree in this full video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on new techniques in freehand painting. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.
Audio Jungle.